The x-axis, input/independent variable, represents the size of a house. The y-axis, output/dependent variable, represents the price of the house. The blue dots are the actual data points collected from real examples. The red straight line is the best fit line, which shows the relationship between input and output. The picture also shows the linear equation, y equals b0 plus b1x, how do y equals b0 plus b1x equals b0 plus b1x. b0, b0 is the intercept, where the line crosses the y-axis. b1b_1b1 is the slope, how much y changes when x increases. The vertical dashed lines indicate the error, residual, which is the difference between the actual value and the predicted value. The main goal of linear regression is to adjust the line so that these errors are as small as possible. Finally, the image highlights: training the model, adjusting the line to reduce errors; prediction, using the trained line to predict future values, such as estimating house prices based on size. Overall, the picture visually demonstrates how linear regression finds a straight line that best represents the relationship between two variables.